Assalamu alaikum. Is your Shopify store recording conversions in Google Ads but showing a $0 value? This is a critical issue. You can see the conversion count, but without revenue data, you are flying blind. Without accurate value tracking, you can't calculate your ROS or optimize your campaigns for maximum profit. Typically, this happens because your GTM tag is firing on the wrong event, or the value variable isn't connected to Shopify's data layer. If the purchase event doesn't capture the actual order total, Google Ads simply defaults to 0. But don't worry, I can fix this for you today. Here is how we engineer data precision. First, we audit your Shopify data layer to ensure the purchase event is firing with all the necessary variables. Next, we map the conversion value to the correct Shopify total, including tax and shipping if needed. We then perform a live test purchase to verify that the data is flowing perfectly into Google Ads. Once confirmed, you will see the real dollar amount for every single sale, enabling 99% data accuracy. With this data, you can finally measure, optimize, and scale your business with complete confidence. No more guesswork, just clear, actionable insights that drive your revenue higher. If you need help fixing your conversion tracking ASAP, I'm here to help. I have a 10 out of 10 confidence level in solving this. Message me on WhatsApp or book a call via the link in the description. Alhamdulillah for your trust. Let's get your data right today. I look forward to working with you. Assalamu alaikum.